Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the primitive data types in Python. So, every programming language has some inbuilt data types by default, okay? And these data types are called primitive data types. So, in programming, data type is an important concept, okay? In Python, primitive data types are basic building blocks used to store simple values, okay? Variables can store data of different types and different types can do different things. So when we will be discussing about the variables, we will discuss a little bit more about the data types as well. So Python has the following data types built in by default in these categories. Okay. So these are the data types. First of all, we have the text data type, which is called strings. Then we have the numeric types, which are integers, float, and complex. Then we have sequence types, which are list, tuple, and range. Then we have mapping type, which is dictionary. Then we have set types, where we have the set and the frozen set. Then we have the Boolean data type, which is the Boolean basically. Then we have binary types, which are bytes, byte array, and memory view. And we have the none type as well. Okay, none data type. So now you might be thinking, okay, these are quite overwhelming at the first glance, right? And these are overwhelming, but don't worry. Many of the things, something like these binary data types or the set data types, we use the set, but we rarely use the frozen set, okay? So these things we rarely use. So just remember that Python has some inbuilt data types which are called the primitive data types, and these are all of the data types here. Okay, awesome. So these are the primitive data types in Python.